Hello and welcome to my first Java tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be setting up all the necessities to start programming in Java. So first thing we need is a integrated development environment, or IDE for short. I use Eclipse. If you already have Eclipse, then it's great. You could just start with the next video, but I want to show people that don't know how to get it. So open your web browser, Google, go to google.com, type in Eclipse, press download right there, and then you're just going to get the standard version. Depending on your operating system architecture, either 64-bit or 32-bit, whichever one, the one that corresponds to your system. So I have 64-bit. You'll click that, same thing with the 32-bit, and it'll take you to this other page, and then all you have to do is click on this, and you just wait, and it'll download. There it is. And I'll be right back once this is done downloading. And it's done. Okay, so now we're going to open our downloads folder, and depending on which version you got, either the 64-bit or 32-bit version, you're going to extract the contents. Let's extract all. Sure. And I'll be right back once it's done extracting. It's almost done. And that's done. The cool thing about Eclipse is there's no need to install anything. Once it finishes downloading, all you have to do is open the folder, open Eclipse, right click on this, send to desktop shortcut, and then from there you can just open it. But before we can start, we need one more thing, which is the Java Development Kit, or JDK. So Java JDK, again, search that on Google and open this website. The first link. The latest version of the JDK is version 8.U5, and we're just going to download the JDK right here. Download JDK. Accept the license, and now here you're going to find your operating system and architecture version. So Windows 32-bit or 64-bit, Linux, Mac, all this stuff. So I'm on 64-bit. I'm going to download that, and then once it's done, I'm going to install it. Okay, yes. And then you're pretty much just going to click next. Just keep everything the way it is, next. And then once this is done, I'll be right back. Okay, and now once you get to this screen, hit next again, and I'll keep going. And again, I'll be right back. Okay, it's all done. Now we could hit close and exit out of this. Close the web browser, and now we could just get our shortcut to Eclipse. Let's rename that to just Eclipse. Alright, I already have one, but rename that to Eclipse, and then we could just run it. And there we go. This is going to load, and it's going to ask you to select a workspace. Now, if you don't already have a workspace, you probably don't, if this is the first time you're watching this, you just create one on the desktop. I'll create one on the desktop. Go to desktop, right click, new folder, call it workspace, workspace, and that's good. And I'll use this as a default and do not ask again, so that every time we run Eclipse, it'll right away go to this workspace. It won't ask me to select the workspace. And now Eclipse is open, and the first thing, you can check out some of these links they give you, but the first thing you gotta do to actually get started is just hit this, and there you go. Next video, we'll actually start coding. Thanks for watching, and look out for the next video.